Hello students, class 11 is started and there are a lot of dreams in your eyes. Somebody want to be the big doctor, somebody want to be the big engineer, somebody want to be the scientist, and lot of such. So everybody, this is the message to that student who want to clear the IIT with the very good rank. So everyone, just think one matter that तुम्हारा school में तो और last year में भी तो बहुत अच्छे students थे. There's a lot of very good students, those who have done the 99%, 98.5%, this type of percentage in the board examination, but they could not clear the IIT. Last year also, there's a lot of students who could not clear the IIT. So really, what is the reason behind it? That students start the preparation of class 11 with the total energy, but they cannot clear the IITs like that, those who have the dream to clear the IIT. So really, what is the reason behind it? So really, there are a lot of factors affecting the preparation of IIT. First and foremost and most important factor is that you have to study the quality preparation. You have to make the quality level preparation. It means with your board book, you have to do some standard preparation. And another important point, number 2 point, is that problem solving strategy. It means everyone that IIT questions are not coming easier. So you have to be ready to solve the difficult problems. You have to understand the language of the sum. That is another important property. And number thing is that this is the calculation ability. You have to do the very fast calculation like middle term factorization and that factorization solving which you have done in class 9-10. So you have to solve it very fast. And another most important point is that quality level study material, and with this everyone, that is a mock test. Mock test quality should be some standard quality mock test. If we can maintain these 5 things, just 5 points properly throughout the years, you must get the good result in IIT examination. Because everyone, why I can tell all these things? Because there is no competition for the JEE advanced examination. There is no competition because if anyone can answer 25% of the total marks, it means not so much chapters. For obviously for the board examination, you have to study all the chapters details. But for those who want to clear the IIT examinations, just some chapters, some important chapters, we have to study details and with in-depth preparation, in-depth knowledge. So if we can maintain, you must get result in IITs.